Hi everybody, my name is Aidan. I'm here at the Norrie Point Environmental Center with the Hudson River behind me. And today we're going to go take a look at some of the birds that live in the different habitats around our environmental center. Birds are a really cool organism to observe because no matter where you live, you can see them. They live in every habitat across the globe. Today we're going to go see what we can find here. So these are binoculars. This is a tool that you can use to look for birds. You don't need them, but it does make it easier to see birds that are further away from you. And I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how to use them. So first thing that you're going to want to do is put the binoculars up to your eyes and adjust them so that you're only seeing one circle. So when you're looking through with your eyes, you're looking through both pieces of the eyeglass, and you can bend the binoculars so that you can only see one circle when you're looking through. So once you have that, how you can look at a bird, if you see a bird, is you're looking off in the distance, you see the bird, you keep your eyes on that bird, and you bring the binoculars up to your eyes, and then automatically you'll be looking right at that bird, instead of putting the binoculars on first and then trying to find the bird in your focus. Once you have the bird in your sights, you can twist this knob in the middle, and that will fine-tune your magnification. Different binoculars have different types of magnification, so maybe try a couple out and see which one you like the best. So this is our first bird of our walk so far. This is a male American robin. You can tell robins from their red breast and dusky backs, and you can tell that it's a male because his head is so dark black. He's doing a really good job of blending in with these reddish oak leaves right now. So even if you can't see birds, a lot of times you can identify them by sound as well. So if you're listening around me, we're actually hearing a tufted titmouse call an alarm call. Hey everybody, thanks for exploring with us outside. One of the coolest things about birds is that they can be found anywhere. So even if you live in a really urban environment, you still can go out and see birds. Some species that can handle living really close with humans in a more urban environment are blue jays, goldfinches, and cardinals. So keep an eye out for those. Those are three bright colors that you'll probably see if you live somewhere urban. And even if you're not seeing or hearing birds, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for signs of birds, especially in the winter. So if you're keeping an eye out for nests, you'll notice that birds use a lot of different materials to build their nests. So for example, this is a phoebe nest, and it looks like one of the main materials that they use to build their nest is some moss. These two nests, I'm not sure what species made them, but they're all made with grass woven together. And then this one that's shaped like a basket actually has some debris in it, some microplastics. Looks like it's a piece of a tarp or something like that. So if you're looking at nests, keep an eye out because every species makes their own different type of nest. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you have a great time bird watching.